paciencia.
Big old flick, I'm getting big old chicks. They just big old made, cause I'm at my big old bay. Big old flick, I'm getting big old chicks. They just big old made, cause I'm at my big old bay. Big old flick, I'm getting big old chicks. They just big old made, cause I'm at my big old bay. Big old flick, I'm getting big old chicks. They just big old made, cause I'm in my big old bay.
It's your girl Aasha, a whole lot of pressure. As you can tell by the title, you already know what the fuck going on. I'm unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm doing a try on haul. Okay, let's get into this unboxing. Bullshit. Yes. Okay, let's get into it. I can't wait to see what this phone look like. I'm so thirsty. Oh, my head cut off. That's why I need the back fuck up.
Bruh.
See, I'm already fucking up. That's why I got new phone. Cause I'm fucking up. For real, ain't it? Cause I'm always dropping my shit. That is big. I like that it fit my hand. It comes with this little paper on the inside. The little cable cord. Y'all, they don't give y'all an adapter. I feel like if I'm getting a bag for a phone, I need all the accessories included. I'm not finna buy an adapter. I don't know how I'm finna charge my phone because I don't got one. I don't have to update the adapter, but we gonna see. So I got the gold. It's so pretty. This is pretty as fuck. Walking still. What they do? Oh. Hello. Girl, this shit in Chinese. No, you fucking lying. Right, hold on. Okay. So, of course, I'm choosing English. Select my country, region, USA. Quick start. It's saying set up manually, but I'm not, cause y'all. Where my shit at? Where my trap at? Anyways, I'm thugging with a trap, so I'm not gonna set it up manually because I don't want all that bullshit on this new phone. Okay, so I'm gonna set up manually. Oh, I forgot my Wi-Fi. So I gotta choose my Wi-Fi. Can you get my Wi-Fi code? Yeah, I had an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but it crashed on me. So I've been thugging since this crashed on me. I'm thirsty as hell for this phone right now. It says it may take a few minutes to activate. Yes, I'm so hyped. I'm hyped as fuck. Shh, girl, stop talking to me. I am working. I am a busy woman. It's activating the eSIM. Y'all, these phones don't need a SIM. It don't even have the little SIM port thingy, whatever the fuck it's called. Don't have that junk. I think that's actually cool. Activate eSIM and connect iPhone to AT&T cellular network. Okay, it's now active on this phone. I'm not gonna show y'all my number. So now it's gonna do with the Face ID. Set up my face. I'm gonna set up my face. Okay, damn. Position your face. Move your head slowly in a complete circle. What the hell? Now you're doing too much. Why I gotta do this? Okay, use ID with the mask. Don't use Face ID with a mask. I ain't got time for it. Okay, Face ID is set up. Create passcode. Use the same passcode for everything. Baby, choose how you want to transfer apps data to. So the apps and data, I'm not transferring. Nada. Nothing. Don't transfer apps and data. I'm starting from a clean slate. So I'm not using the current ID. I'm going to use, what did it say? Use different ID for iCloud. Oh no, do I have to? I can create my own. Do I gotta use an Apple ID I already got, or I can create one on my own? I ain't asking y'all because y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me, but I'm asking myself. Don't mind me. Like, seriously, for real. Forgot password. Don't have an Apple ID. Create free Apple ID. Can't believe I gotta do all this shit. Trust the process. Create Apple password, Apple ID password. Y'all see that? Terms and conditions. I agree. I accept. Okay. Update iCloud setting. I'm happy as fuck. Y'all, we got a hater. You hating on me? You hate? Oh, she a fan. Never mind.
Period. Period.
So updating iCloud settings. Here we go. Keep your iPhone up to date. Baby, get me to where I need to be. That's what the fuck I get for setting it up manually.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
I don't like none of
Choose the
y'all.
voice you'd like me to use.
No,
You can
no.
change it.
Choose.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Ugh,
Hi, I'm Siri.
I don't like that.
Hi, I'm Siri.
I don't like none of y'all.
I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice
She
you'd like
sound
me
black.
to
I'm
use.
gonna choose her.
You can change it later in settings.
Y'all, this be that bullshit, cause no, I don't want to do all that. Appearance, light or dark? Dark, period. It's the dark for me. See, the light, hold on, the light, the dark, I fuck with the dark. Welcome to the iPhone. I swear to God, I'm so happy. Welcome to the iPhone. Swipe up to get started. I got 5 messages already. Somebody lying. See, now y'all doing too much. Here we go. I don't know nothing about this phone yet. I just got it. I just unboxed it. So we're not going to even go through the settings and all of that because I don't fucking know. But I'm going to find out. But besides this, besides the iPhone, I bought me some accessories. I'm so fucking happy. Hello? Oh, that was somebody said something. So I bought some accessories. I'm ready for my phone. Let's see what we got first. Okay, here's the first case that I bought. Gold clear magnetic. Let's see how this is fresh. God damn. Yeah, this is cute as fuck. And then you can use the magnetic charger that'll charge through the case. I think that's cute. This is so cute. Okay, let's see what else. Then I got a privacy case because you hoes be in my business. Don't do that. So we got the... Bruh. This one I'm glad I got a screen protector. Good thing I got a screen protector and I got insurance. So I'm going to be alright. But I still got to be careful. Got my screen protector on. Got my new case. And I got one more. Another case. I think I'm really going to fuck with. So it's the off-white case. Yeah. I think I like this one. Yeah, I think it's giving. Yeah, it's giving. So basically, this is it for me unboxing my iPhone 14. And yeah. So now I'm finna do the try on haul. with the Shein. Y'all, I had already opened it because I was thirsty. I mean, Shane, Justin. I keep saying Shein because Shein got me in the chokehold, but this is not Shein. I fuck with Shein, but it's not Shein. It's Shane, Justin. But it's kind of already open because I was thirsty. So this is the first look. Let's try it on. Yeah, it's definitely good. And then I like the little details. They got the Aasha and then it shows. Oh, this is definitely giving. I fuck with this. The girl thick. I don't just know too much. I don't know what to say about it. It feels good. Little stretch material. I love the little peekaboo. I love the fact that it shows my unk. This is like one of my favorite tattoos. I love this. So the next one is, man, y'all. I think I'm gonna fuck with this, but I don't know. We're gonna see. I ain't gonna speak too much on it. But I was really fucking with it on the site. Let's just hope that the math is mathing. So we got this. I just thought this was so cute. Oh my god. This is really giving. I'm glad I bought this. Yep, I need some of it. This was small. And my ass is fat, so yeah, it's gonna give it a little action, but oh, okay, I'm gonna have a 6-pack by the time I really wear this shit, so it might keep the front of the dress down. You see that? But it's not bad. I love this part. You can zip it up, but don't do it, cause they just. Yeah, don't zip it all the way up there. This is so cute. It's everything. I don't know why I'm putting it down, because that's really how it's supposed to be, right? Like, I hate dresses that rise up because I'm so tall. It just feels like she just gonna come out, but it's cute. Y'all, the material, both of these outfits, I give a 10 out of 10. Literally, I love this. This feels so silky. It feels so good on the skin. Like, both of these outfits are giving. Even though the first one was like a plain Jane outfit, it was still giving. The little peekaboos. Cute face. So if you like what you saw today, like, comment, and subscribe, because it's only up from here.